What's up, guys? This is Adam Steele at the Warehouse Gym here in San Antonio, Texas. I want to have you join us, myself and Melanie Oliveri and I, my GM out in San Diego, and our wellness badass. We're gonna take you through the big rig, better known as the rig hack squat with the only gravity drop in the world. I'm gonna explain to you exactly what makes this thing so awesome. Let me show you, check it out. So, putting this thing together was so rad. Not only does it have like a massive platform that is twice as wide as your standard, even taller, comes with a step. It has a two-step that flips over. So depending on how your height is and how tall you are, no matter your height, whether you're 4'8", 4'10", all the way up to 6'8", 7 feet, you're able to use the different sizes to get complete depth and full range of motion. So one of the amazing features that we have besides the dual 6-inch 2-tensity upholstery foam, yacht style marine vinyl, absolutely luxurious. We have the prime 3-stage pads, so you can do very comfortable dual foam as well in your shoulders for pressing on the hack squat style or a front squat variation. One thing that makes this awesome is the ability to take it using the hoist lift from low to lower the resistance to anywhere you want, from increments of weight without being its full load, empty, more plates, single, double, however many you want to use. You can literally adjust it at the push of a button to increase the incline, which would increase obviously the resistance and its weight on gravity. So just like how you would go going downhill, the steeper the slope, the faster you go. So I'm gonna have Melanie hop in this and we're gonna go through some variations that are really cool. All right, let's do it. As you can see, super easy. She's able to use the handles right here and she can climb up on the step, position herself, and at her height, having this over, and real quick, let me show you. So it's very simple. How you adjust this is you just flip it over and you can set it down and you can have the full platform at any height. And so this would be like obviously more conducive if she's a little taller, things like that. Simple enough. You just take it and you just flip it over and set it down. There you go. Awesome. Let's rock and roll. So she's gonna go with the standard, very conventional hack squat using the platform. Unlock has 3 different level pegs, as you can see here. Very good. So whether your heights are different or anything, you can securely lock it. She's able to get amazing depth, very good, and travel. Melanie, how smooth does that feel?
Extremely smooth.
Yeah. One feature about this machine is it's not built on linear bearings. So it doesn't have like the tube on either side that it slides up and down on like a conventional hack squat or leg press that you're familiar with in most gyms. This is on a cartwheel track system over under with dual bearings. So kind of like a mining cart or a roller coaster, if you will. It actually travels on and glides on tracks. Very cool. Nice, good job. So you can see here, super easy. She can even widen her stance here from a conventional to a little bit wider. And she has even more room to even go even wider. It's for even a sumo. So depending on your height, if your legs are a little longer, you can get super wide. Really target the glutes, open the hips and get nice and deep. As you know, being a wellness competitive athlete, the NPC going into IFBB, Mel has great range of motion. So always work on your mobility. This thing's gonna help. It's gonna be fantastic. Right here, one thing too, especially no matter what height you are, having the raised step on this platform is she's able to drop her foot and come in and do different types of curtsy and single leg lunges and be able to get that deep deficit right there where she can break and go below the platform as if you had a raised platform on the ground. No other hack squatter machine can allow you to do that, especially with the ease. All right, awesome. Okay, the next one, not only can you do the deficits, we can go into the pistol squat. And one good thing is this machine is so dynamic. Whether you have weight on it or it's just empty, Mel, if you would show me, take your hand, go to the buttons right here. It's down and up, so right here, down and then up, okay? So, you see how slow she's moving? There's a third button on this, it's called gravity drop. And what it does is it slowly reduces the size or the slope, slowly lowers the machine's plane, allowing it to be less resistant. So no matter the skill level or your strength or size or anything, it doesn't matter. You can actually get these exercises in and be able to experience the unique benefit of each one by changing the resistance, not just from a 45-pound plate, but even in the degrees of slope. Yeah. And you can go right back up. Super smooth, super easy. So by increasing the slope, obviously she's increasing. So let's see the sissy squat. Bang. Super good. As you can see, she's getting them in. And you can lower it if it's a little too much. There you go. Very cool. Nice. Lowering the resistance just slightly, just enough to make her be able to get the work in. Super awesome. Good job. Nice. Well done. And you can drop the handles, lock it down. She has a step right here for landing. Good to go. How was that?
Amazing.
Now, super exciting. Also on this machine with the 3-level pads on the angle, Mel can actually climb right up on here. While using the step, she's able to do front squats and other variations. Check it out. Boom. Nice safety stop at the bottom. As you can see, she's getting below 90 depth. Doing the wide stance. Sumo wide, super wide. And the front squat, super awesome. Nice. Okay. Go into RDL, and remember, I like to back my feet up just a little bit. There you go. So you can get a good 90. Awesome. All right, and if you want, you ready? Okay, hold on. Now you can do single leg and it's not so heavy. Single leg. After a plane adjustment, super simple. Boom. Now that's just something you don't see every day. Truly impressive. The machine too. How's that feel?
It's so fucking good.
Super smooth. And then you can do sumo. Get exceptionally wide on here. because of the super sized version of the platform. Awesome. Super great. There you go. Well done.
Thank you so much for building the big rig.
Our handshakes aren't usually that awkward, but we try to do our best. It's Halloween. Nice. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. Right. Thank you so much. That was crazy impressive, and I just want to show you guys like all of these machines that you've never seen before. Of course, coming into the gym, they're going to seem intimidating, but don't let that keep you from it. They're built to be safe, they're built to be dynamic, and they're built to be the best thing there is out here for you. So definitely come check out the War Machines. All of the new Gen 2s will be in all of our new locations in the future, coming to San Diego's newest location as well, here and Las Vegas next year. I'll see you. Thank you so much, guys. Adam Steele from the War Machines here at the Warhouse Gym.